Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video in high altitude investing. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 3 top coins that I see in the top 100 that are undervalued. So the reason I know which coins are going to moon is because recently I joined the Illuminati Brotherhood, and I just wanted to let everybody know on YouTube right now that Dallin Anderson signed in blood equals Illuminati. And no, I'm just kidding, you guys. These are just coins that I think will perform well. I've done some research on them and the way that their charts are playing out, also versus the Ethereum, which is something I'm very, very interested in, is the Ethereum pricing, and really just the way that these charts are accumulating. And like I said, these are all coins that are on the top 100, so they should have some awesome value propositions in the sense that there's already market capitalization behind them, there's already a community behind them, and they have the fundamentals as well as the market cycles and charts to go ahead and perform well. So go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below letting me know where you guys are from in the world. And without further ado, let's get right into this. Okay, so the first coin that we have on our list is Nexo, and I'm going to be charting it versus Ethereum because these are giving me the most data as far as what's happening in the market, meaning that when something is valued versus Ethereum and it's growing versus Ethereum and it's either built on the Ethereum blockchain, then that means that it's growing versus the Ethereum price faster than it's growing versus the dollar price. And it's probably leading in the Ethereum market first, meaning that you're going to see price increase in the Ethereum market before it's reflected as quickly versus the dollar. Now, with that being said, we do have a pretty good chart pattern versus the dollar with Nexo. We can go ahead and remove the Ethereum chart right here, switch to the log scale here, and you will see very quickly that we have a one wave and then sideways accumulation and lower lows and higher highs. We just really need to get above this higher high right here to confirm the strength in the market. But like I said, the Ethereum price is actually rallying before the dollar price, and we see the Ethereum market picking up quite a bit right now. So Nexo versus Ethereum is obviously accumulating upwards and seeing growth. And this is why I'm interested in Nexo. I also see Nexo as something that's potentially useful. If you actually check out the Nexo website, you'll see pretty quickly that it actually has a functioning platform and people can actually make transactions on it and really use the Nexo network to do all sorts of different things. But from my understanding, it allows you to put crypto into loans. So if you want to create a cryptocurrency loan, you can deposit a certain amount and then loan out that cryptocurrency on the Nexo network and then pay it back at a certain price, all within smart contracts. Now the website is being really stupid right now, so we're just going to go back over to the chart until that loads. But essentially it allows you to do loans in the cryptocurrency network, which is a really amazing idea and something that I can see a lot of value in right off the bat. So this right here, the Nexo versus Ethereum chart, is painting out a very, very nice ascending triangle breakout pattern. So we can take our trend line tool right here and we can draw this upward pointing support line that we've been following for quite some time now, really since July and May of this year. And then we can take a horizontal resistance line. And we can draw a horizontal resistance line right here as well. And we will see that we have broken out of an ascending triangle pattern. Our target for this pattern has not been met. And if the target is met, we will actually see prices rally up to major resistance levels. So measuring the target price, the trend line tool here, we can see that our first target, taking the height of the triangle and placing it on the point that we broke out, is actually this major resistance level. Now this is Nexo versus the Ethereum chart. So you have to understand that this isn't in Bitcoin price or in dollar terms. This is in value versus Nexo and Ethereum. So that means that if we go up towards that area, if we continue on the trend that we're going on right now, we're going to see our major resistance level reached, which would be about 0.0009 Nexo versus Ethereum. So that's how much Ethereum it's going to cost you for one Nexo token. It's 0.009. Now the website did indeed load, and you can instantly see right off the bat that they have instant crypto credit lines, which is basically a cryptocurrency credit line. And you can see already that the website looks very, very nice. This is where you can get your loans, where you can pull out cryptocurrency loans from $500,000 to $2 million. You can earn interest on your crypto assets by depositing them here and providing to people that are trying to lend. So it's like a credit lending and loan platform for cryptocurrency, which is really amazing technology and something that has a use case. It already has users. You can sign up today. It already has a great website and is actually functioning currently. So Nexo is one that I see as an extremely undervalued asset. The chart pattern is looking very bullish. The fundamentals are strong. The community is strong. This is why it is in the top coins that I recommend checking out for undervalued coins in the top 100. Okay, so the next coin that I'd like to look at is Kyber Network. Now this one has been around for a little while as well. Not super long, really, since the 2018. This has been traded and added to exchanges. And the reason that I'm really, really interested in Kyber Network is predominantly the chart pattern, but you also have, again, strong community and a great website, as well as a functioning platform. So let's just go ahead and open up the Kyber Network versus Ethereum chart. And as you guys can see, it is seamless token swaps anywhere on the blockchain. So if you're trying to do token swaps, you can do this. It's liquid. It's a liquid network, meaning that there's always liquidity to do your exchanges, your swap between different tokens, and it's all on the blockchain. Again, this has a very good website, and if you check out the actual chart pattern and you know much about technical analysis, you will see that we have a breakout, a double bottom pattern forming here. We had a breakout of the first double bottom pattern, and if we can get above these resistance levels, we see huge opportunity in the Kyber network as far as investing opportunity goes. This is a great rounded bottom pattern. And also, even Kyber network versus the dollar does also have a great value proposition from a chart pattern perspective. We've done an ABC correction, and we've started to form the beginnings of a double bottom pattern. So if we can get above that 29-cent level, that confirms the double bottom pattern, and we'll start making higher highs and higher lows. Either way, we've started to make higher highs and higher lows versus the Ethereum chart already. So it's starting to take off. This is one that I'm definitely watching, you guys, as a coin in the top 100 that is undervalued for sure and has a lot of potential gains in the future. And again, the Illuminati Brotherhood is behind this one. 100%. They're behind all three of these coins, I'm telling you right now. No, I'm just kidding, you guys. But this is something that I see from a chart pattern and from a fundamental perspective as one to watch closely. All right, now let's go ahead and check out our third, last but definitely not least, undervalued coin in the top 100. This is Engine Coin, you guys, and I love the chart pattern for Engine Coin. As far as the platform goes, I actually don't know a ton about the functioning of the platform or what it does specifically. If you check out their website, you can kind of look at their headlines, and it basically says blockchain gamified ecosystem of integrating softwares that help you take advantage of a world-changing technology in an easy way. So keep your digital assets safe, discover and trade rare blockchain assets, game develop. So it looks to me like it has something to do with game development and blockchain, but that's just what I get off of the website. Like I said, I haven't actually researched the fundamentals behind this one as much as Nexo and Kyber, but this has an amazing chart pattern, and the Ethereum prices have also already seen a huge breakout. They accumulated all through 2018. When 2019 came around, it started its first market cycle. It made a huge move on the upside, then did an ABC correction, and we've already started to round out double bottom. We did a double bottom breakout. If we just take the price away from the dollar, you can see that this was the first bottom, the second bottom, and then we had a breakout in price. And this is really just looking to me like some of the early market cycles that I've seen in cryptocurrency before they go for really, really nice growth curves and allow you to make a lot of money off of the chart. So definitely watching Engine, you guys, very closely, and excited for the potential outcomes that we see from a market cycle perspective, where we had this ABC and then a 1 and a 2 wave, and it looks like we're starting to make that 3 wave. And from a fundamental perspective, which I haven't researched as much, but obviously if it's in the top 100 coins, then there's a community behind it just from an investor standpoint. And you can see that Engine versus Ethereum chart looks phenomenal as well. So that's my top 3 coins, you guys, that are undervalued on the top 100. That again is Nexo, and then we have Kyber Network and Engine Coin, and those are the ones that I'm keeping a close eye on and expect to see very explosive moves in the future. Versus the dollar, all of these coins could see 10x. And you know, if you're talking about what that means for Nexo, right now Nexo is worth about 8 cents. So if you're talking about a dollar or 80 cents per Nexo, that is a huge potential gain for you guys to own it. And then Engine Coin is also about 7-8 cents right now. So again, that would be 78 cents, 80 cents, a dollar per Engine Coin. Huge potential gains. And with Kyber Network, before I go here, we'll just talk about what that would mean for Kyber Network. Kyber is worth about 20 cents right now. So if we see 10x gains with Kyber Network, you're talking about $2 per coin, which is a very, very nice gain in your portfolio. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button as well if you're new to the channel. I've got a Discord group with new people joining every day. Links are in the description. And comment where you are in this world. I appreciate every single one of you, and I will see you guys in the next videos. As always, stay profitable out there.